Learn and grow presents 10 evidence-based benefits of green tea. Green tea is touted to be one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It's loaded with antioxidants that have many health benefits, which may include improved brain function, fat loss, protecting against cancer, lowering the risk of heart disease. There may be even more potential health benefits. Number 1, contains healthy bioactive compounds. Green tea is more than just a hydrating beverage. The green tea plant contains a range of healthy compounds that make it into the final drink. Tea is rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds that have health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and helping to fight cancer. Number 2, may improve brain function. Green tea does more than just keep you alert, it may also help boost brain function. The key active ingredient is caffeine, which is a known stimulant. It doesn't contain as much as coffee, but enough to produce a response without causing the jittery effects associated with taking in too much caffeine. Number 3, increases fat burning. If you look at the ingredients list for any fat-burning supplement, chances are green tea will be on there. This is because, according to research, green tea can increase fat burning and boost metabolic rate. Number 4, antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancers. Cancer is caused by uncontrolled growth of cells. It's one of the world's leading causes of death. Research has shown that oxidative damage can lead to chronic inflammation, which can lead to chronic diseases, including cancers. Antioxidants can help protect against oxidative damage. Green tea is an excellent source of powerful antioxidants. Number 5, may protect the brain from aging. Not only can green tea improve brain function in the short term, it may also protect your brain as you age. Alzheimer's disease is a common neurodegenerative disease and the most common cause of dementia in older adults. Parkinson's disease is another common neurodegenerative disease and involves the death of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain. Number 6, may reduce bad breath. The catechins in green tea also have benefits for oral health. Test tube studies suggest the catechins can suppress the growth of bacteria, potentially lowering the risk of infections. Streptococcus mutans is a common bacterium in the mouth. It causes plaque formation and is a leading contributor to cavities and tooth decay. Number 7, may help prevent type 2 diabetes. The rates of type 2 diabetes are increasing in recent decades. The condition now affects about 1 in 10 Americans. Type 2 diabetes involves having elevated blood sugar levels, which may be caused by insulin resistance or an inability to produce insulin. Studies show that green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Number 8, may help prevent cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular diseases, including heart disease and stroke, are the leading causes of death worldwide. Studies show that green tea may improve some of the main risk factors for these diseases, which includes improving total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. Green tea also increases the antioxidant capacity of the blood, which protects the LDL particles from oxidation, which is one part of the pathway toward heart disease. Number 9, may help you lose weight. Given that green tea can boost the metabolic rate in the short term, it makes sense that it could help you lose weight. Several studies show that green tea may help reduce body fat, especially in the abdominal area. One of these studies was a 12-week randomized controlled study involving 240 people with obesity. In this study, those in the green tea group had significant decreases in body fat percentage, body weight, waist circumference, and belly fat, compared with those in the control group. Number 10, may help you live longer. Given that some compounds in green tea may help protect against cancer and heart disease, it makes sense that it could help you live longer. In one study, researchers studied 40,530 Japanese adults over 11 years. Those who drank the most green tea, 5 or more cups per day, were significantly less likely to die during the study. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell, and also check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.